Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During the warmer months, David and I barbecue most of the time. We enjoy so many different grilled proteins, but one that we have often is burgers. So far, there's about a dozen of them on the website, and here's another one. My ultimate cheeseburgers. This recipe is simply the best. With great components, I'm sure these will become one of your favorites. So let's get cooking. We'll start by generously seasoning the meat with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, it's optional, but if we want, we'll add some steak seasoning of our choice. With our clean hands, we'll mix the seasonings and evenly divide the meat into 4 portions. Then we'll form 4 patties. I like using my press. It does a great job. And make an indentation in the middle of each of them. These burgers will be loaded with deliciousness, and by doing that, it will prevent the patties from bulging up in the center, keeping them flatter. We'll place them on a plate or pie plate before covering with plastic wrap and transferring them to the fridge to chill for at least a couple hours and up to 8 hours. Alright, so when we're ready to grill them, we'll bring the barbecue temperature between 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the grates with canola oil using tongs and a paper towel. We'll now place the patties on the grates, close the lid, and grill them about 6 to 7 minutes per side for medium rare or 8 to 9 minutes for medium. 3 minutes before the patties are done, we'll place the buns on the upper rack. Of course, close the lid and continue grilling until desired doneness. Now, a minute later, we'll place a couple slices of cheese per patty, close the lid once again, and cook until the cheese is melted and the buns are nicely toasted. Time to assemble the burgers. First, we'll spoon my classic burger sauce on the bottom buns, and to get the recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Then lettuce. I'm using Boston, but iceberg is another option. Followed by a slice of tomato, our nicely grilled patties, and if we go for a double cheeseburger, we'll place the second one on top. We're not done yet. We'll put some bread and butter pickles on each patty, and to get my recipe, the link is on your screen, and some red onion rings. We'll spread more of my classic burger sauce on the top buns, and voila! Our burgers are ready to be enjoyed. And my friends, these are our ultimate cheeseburgers. Loaded with yumminess, these are the most amazing burgers you'll be making this summer. It's a great recipe everyone will love. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!